Hi, welcome to another episode of Money Horn. Today, I'd like to show you how you can earn $250 just for typing words. Yeah, and you can earn around $25 to $30 per word. This is awesome. But before I show you that, this is Jash from Money Horn. If you want to know more latest make money online methods like this, be sure to go down below, press the subscribe button and the notification bell so you are always notified on my latest videos. See you after the break. Okay, so move on to the method. Today, I'd like to show you how you can earn money just by typing some words. And this is awesome. The site I'm going to show you is motiongen.com. motiongen.com is a great site to create videos just by typing some words, but you can make many more videos on various niche. You can work on many more videos like that. And for today's method, I'm just showing you that by just simply typing some words or one words, you can earn $25 to $30 per video. This is really awesome, and it can make you money over and over, and for the rest of the time you can do your other works. So this is very interesting, and you can see that if you go over to this website and you just click on get started, and it's going to pop up like sign up here, and you can sign up with your Facebook, Google, or even use your own email account. And I suggest that just uncheck it if you do not want to get notification emails or any updates, newsletters from them. I personally don't recommend that, but you can check mark it and sign up with this site, and you're going to go with creating videos. So if I sign up and create on templates, this page will show up, and here you can see that they have lots of templates, and those templates are divided into three categories. That is seasonal, industry, and standard. Seasonals are for special occasions throughout around the year, and industries are various type of industry that are beauty, health, fashion, fitness, and so on. But we are going to work in this method on standard template, and that is some ads, intro, outro, events, promo, but we are going to pick intro and outro. So if I click on intro, they will show you some intro animations. Those are really awesome videos professionally built for you to work with. And for instance, if I for say click on any of that video, then it will show like this, and you can see that it is previewing how it will look like, and you just edit that video by clicking this button. If you click this button, edit this video, this page will show up, and you have to just write a word or so. And if for instance, if I like write money, and this is going to click on refresh preview button, and if it will refresh your words and render it into a video for you, which is great. Now you can see that my words just changed, and it will show like this. And if you like click on make video icon here, and it will ask for a name for that video, and hit continue, and it will ask for it to export. And if you go into their dashboard, and it will show your video that you have created right now. So like that, I'm going to show you some ways by which you can sell these videos. This is really awesome, and that's not difficult task to do. You can just follow my instruction. But before that, if you have not liked this video, please do like this video, or if you have not subscribed yet, please do subscribe and stay tuned with my channel. So move on to the next page. Is if I get a video created from MotionGen, how you can get that video to sell. For that, I'm going to show freelancer sites, and for the first choice is Quick and Gigs, because Quicken Geeks as a new site around the freelancer world, and this is much like Fiverr or any other top tier freelancer sites like freelancers.com. But the thing is, this site is a little newer than those professional big sites, but you can do any post on any freelancer site. But I recommend pick newer freelancer sites, those have freelancers, small amount of freelancers, so that you can have less competition. Bigger sites have bigger competitions, much greater competitions, and smaller sites and newer sites have comparatively less competitions than that, and there's a better chance for that. So if I search on Quicken Geeks about intros, they are showing you that people are making intros here and making money for that. You can see that these guys have 5 comments and he is asking $30 per intro. This guy has 1 comment, but these comments are not the sell. Not every buyer leave comments on every gigs. So there's a better chance that these guys making much more money than this. So you can see that these videos are $25, $30 video they are making here, and the competition is much more less. Few people know this type of new freelancer sites, and there is a big chance that you get promoted to first page so that people get your gigs and order it. So, and day by day, this is not the end. If you can post it some gigs in these type of sites, these sites also going to get popular in near future. So you can definitely have a better chance to get into the money. So I will suggest to start in Quicken Gigs and other freelancer, new freelancer site like this. But obviously you can also, my second choice is People Per Hour, which is obviously a great freelancer site, and which is comparatively in the newer phase right now, and people are also getting traction from this. And you can search here and you can see that here people are making every $15 intro videos, $20 intro videos, $30, $25. You can see that, and this site is now like getting popular day by day. So you can see that these guys having 400 comments, 341 comments, 1200 comments. That is really awesome. And these guys are making lot more than those comments. As it is, not every buyer leaves comments, so you can make $20, $30 easily if you rank on it, and if you start doing it right now. So just click create videos from Motion 10 and upload it up and post your intro works on these gig sites and freelancer sites, and when you get any order, you just go to Motion 10 and create that intro video and download it and send it to the buyer, and that's it. You are getting $30 to $25 to $30 every buyer, every sale that happens, and you do not have to create videos without any order. When you get an order, you get a payment, then you create a video. So move on. You can also post your gigs on Fiverr, and Fiverr also a great place, as it is a top class site that has lots of freelancer, and you can earn big money here if you can establish yourself professionally so that you can be a great video intro maker. So this is it, guys. I'm going to show you the one more thing that I missed is when you create a video on Motion 10, when you are in the dashboard, when you just get an order like Quicken Gigs or People Power from like 25 to $30 order you get, you just receive the money, and all you have to do, there's a little charge in Motion 10 to create these videos. As this is a really professional site, professional animation videos, so they are asking you $14 per video download. So when you create a video, you have to pay around $14 to get that video to sell. And this is really not that a big deal, because you are getting 25 to $30 at least from them, and just invest half 50% of that money, and you are making profit. And when you are getting popular day by day, and surely you will get popular day by day on those freelancer sites, and more people are going to order you. So when that will be a great way. So if you subscribe to their unlimited video options, which is just $30 per month, so if you like get even 10 orders month per month, you will get $250 to $300 per month, but you will definitely get more sales than that. But for that, from that 250 to $300, you just pay a minimum $30 per month to Motion Den, so that you can get high resolution videos, and they will provide you unlimited videos, and they will also give you 7.6 million stock assets and commercial users rights. This is really awesome. You can do business with this. You can earn thousands of dollars, not $300. You can earn thousands of dollars from using this site. So all you have to do, just pick a freelancer site which is comparatively new, and start posting your jobs. Quicken Geeks also getting popular, as they are partnered with biggest companies like PayPal, Microsoft, Google, Discord, Facebook, Unity, and they will also be like Fiverr in near future. So before that, you just hop into it, post your jobs right now, so that you can get to that position when they will be a site like fiverr.com, and you will get thousands of orders from them. So this is the method, this is the way you have to be active. Money will follow you. So if you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.